Let's learn how to divide the number 288 by 4 using the long division method. See that this number 2 is less than 4. So we consider the two digits, that is the number 28. We know that 4 times 7 is 28. If we subtract, we get a 0. Now 0 is less than 4. That is why we will bring down this number 8 here. Now see that this is the number 8. So we remove this 0. Now 4 times 2 is 8. Subtract, we get a 0. As we get the remainder 0, so we will stop. Therefore, the value of 288 divided by 4 is equal to 72. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe the channel.